Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's go. So let's pick my motorcycle. Okay, wait. Oh my gosh, what are you doing? No. No, be careful. Be careful. Yeah. Okay. Gosh. Okay, go. Okay, turn around. Okay. Okay, careful. Alright. Kasi dyan ka dumaan. Ba't umakyat ka dyan? Gosh. Okay. You can do it. Oh, be careful. No, don't. No, that's not way. Here. Left. Yeah, left. Yeah, go. Okay, go. Yes. Alright. Left. Okay, left. Right. Okay, alright. Okay. Oh. Gosh. What are you doing? Stop doing. Don't stop. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, stop. Then, you need to park. Magpa-parking lang siya. Ako. Magpa-parking ako. Okay, ba't ang tagal mo? Bilisan mo. Bilis. Okay. Oops. Stay lang. Oops. Oh. Skating? Let's go guys. Punta tayo sa party. Mag-iskuhan dito sa party. Okay, yan na. Nandiyan tayo sa party today kasi hanapin niya yung friend niya. Friend niya na si Steve. Bakit ka alis? Kasi hindi niya nakuha si Steve. Okay, aalis lang tayo kasi nga nandito yung kanyang friend. Okay, let's go. Let's go home na kasi feeling sleepy na si Steve. Okay. Hinahanap niya yung bahay niya kasi inaantok na siya. So, yan. Pinapark niya ng kanyang bicycle. Okay. Then, aalis na siya. Iwan niya lang sandali dyan para pumunta sa kanyang room. Siguro magpahinga siya. Ayan na. Aakit na siya sa hagdan. Ayun yung kanyang door. Yes. Let's go to your own home. Alright, ayan. Naghahanap ng pagkain. Siguro nagutom si Steve. Ang ginagawa mo, Steve? Let's go to your room na. Alright. Sleepy na kasi siya and tired. The whole day, she motorcycle, skating, and bicycle. Okay, sleepy na siya. Good night, Steve. Alright, see you tomorrow. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. See you tomorrow, everyone. Babush! Bye-bye!